advanced portion of our index match formula. So we're going to explore the two column references first. So first of all, we are going to use the index match. Simply, we are going to provide our reference section, and we are going to use the match for our row references. And after that, for column, here we have to use two reference, so two lookup value. So we are going to simply add the two portion, and afterward we are going to add the two lookup array as well, just like we are adding text in Excel. So this is how we will get our result. Okay, so now you can see there have something some issue, so you can solve this by Control Shift Enter if you are using Excel 2019. So here I will recommend you to use the second process if you are using if you are not using Excel 2021. So here you can simply input your data. Okay, this is how it will work. Here we are going to combine our index as our lookup array. So we are going to add our lookup array, our month and the year. Okay, so you can see that I am not giving full respect to the match function, so I did not provide its match type, which is absolute. So this is how, after clicking enter, we will get our results. So now you can see that for P2 product code, we can get the results simply like this. It will work automatically. So for the second portion, which is two row references, so here you can see there have area and product code. We need to use these two portion for our references. So we're going to use the same process as we have done before. So we're going to use match. Here we are going to add our lookup array, for row, and our lookup, um, we are going to add actual lookup array and lookup value as well. So here we simply input our column section, because here we don't have any complexity. Yes, it will provide this type of result. We need to solve this by Control Shift Enter. This is how you will get your results. Okay, so this for the second process, we are going to use index for match lookup array. So I always recommend you to follow um, the the recommendation which has been given by the Excel. So you need to respect the function properly to get your result. So this is how, okay, so I'm using the match again for the column section. Okay, okay,